For the last 2 years, developers and founders have been held hostage by API costs. Every time your AI agent makes a decision, reads a document, or executes a task, you are paying a microtransaction to OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google. But today, the entire landscape just fundamentally shifted. Google DeepMind just quietly released Gemma 4, and they didn't just release an open-weight model, they released an absolute monster of a family that is about to make paying for API keys completely obsolete. We are talking about up to a massive 256,000 token context window, native multimodal vision and audio built directly into the base layers, and the most important part, it is released under the permissive Apache 2.0 license. That means commercial freedom. You can build with it, deploy it, and monetize it with zero restrictions. Because having access to the world's most powerful open source AI is useless if you don't have the blueprints to deploy it. Welcome to the AI Money Forge. This is our private school community where over 400 AI entrepreneurs, developers, and agency owners are actively building the future. We aren't just sitting around talking about AI news. We are building autonomous workflows, custom agents, and high-ticket AI businesses. When you join the Forge, you aren't just getting a Discord server. You are getting access to the absolute bleeding edge of AI education. Inside the classroom, I have unlocked entire vaults of information, from complete breakdowns of AI SEO automation to step-by-step guides on building multi-agent systems to the exact standard operating procedures I use to run my own businesses. Every single month, we drop VIP updates with the newest tools and automation strategies. And to execute those workflows, you need the right tools. That is why I built the Forge Arsenal. This alone is worth 100 times the price of admission. The AI space is moving so fast that standard search engines can't keep up. So I built a clean, curated, highly organized index of over 1,100 AI tools, automations, blueprints, and money-making stacks. Google has realized that one size does not fit all. They have deployed a highly strategic fleet of 4 distinct models. On the extreme edge, we have the E2B and E4B models. These are designed to run on incredibly low-powered hardware. We are talking smartphones, IoT devices, and Raspberry Pis, running entirely offline with only 1.5 to 5 gigs of RAM needed. But the crown jewel for local developers is the Gemma 426B. This is a mixture of experts model. It possesses the vast knowledge base of a 26 billion parameter model, but during generation it only activates about 4 billion parameters. This means you get flagship-level reasoning, code generation, and complex analysis, but it runs fast enough to sit comfortably on consumer GPUs in single-server setups. It means you can slash your AI API costs by up to 80%. When you have a local model this capable, you no longer need to route every single simple data extraction or categorization task through an expensive GPT-4 API call. You handle the bulk of your agentic workflows locally at zero per token cost and keep your proprietary data completely private. And when I say it runs well locally, I mean it absolutely flies. Check out this live speed test using Atomic Chat. We are asking the local model to write a Python script for the Fibonacci sequence. Look at the tokens per second counter on the right, 50, 80, 116. It peaks at an astonishing 138 tokens per second. The code is generated faster than you can even read it. This is running on local hardware, zero latency, zero waiting on cloud servers. Integrating this into your daily workflow is seamless. Here I am inside my code editor. By simply tweaking the configuration file to point to my local Olama instance running Gemma 4, I now have a world-class, context-aware coding assistant that lives directly on my machine. It's entirely private, insanely fast, and completely free to use all day long. But Google isn't stopping at developers. They are baking this intelligence directly into the operating system. With their new OS-level integration, you don't even open a browser tab anymore. You literally just shake your cursor, and the AI is there ready to assist. But this is the most insane thing I have ever seen. Because the MOE architecture is so heavily optimized, you can now run 10 instances of the Gemma 4 26B model concurrently on a single laptop. Let that sink in. You can spin up an entire swarm of 10 autonomous AI agents. 1 can be researching the web, 3 can be writing code, 2 can be QA testing, and 1 can be managing the workflow, all communicating with each other on your local machine at over 170 tokens per second combined. This is a one-man local AI agency running for free. If you are watching this and you aren't building, you are going to be left behind. The tools are free, the models are open, and the blueprints are waiting for you inside my community. Click the first link in the description right now to join the AI Money Forge. Get instant access to the Forge Arsenal, download my step-by-step agent SOPs, and start building your AI empire today. The massive API bills stop today. I'll see you inside the Forge. Keep building.